Hey everyone! Today we're comparing two rugged beasts in the smartwatch world, the Garmin Fenix 8 and the Garmin Enduro 3. If you're looking for a high-end adventure watch, these two are top contenders, but they do have some key differences. Let's break it down. First up, the Garmin Fenix 8 comes in multiple size options, 43mm, 47mm, and 51mm. Meanwhile, the Garmin Enduro 3 keeps it simple with just one size, 51mm. So if you want more flexibility in size, the Fenix 8 is the way to go. When it comes to screen size, both watches offer a 1.4-inch display, plenty of real estate for your fitness stats and maps. But the resolution? That's where the difference kicks in. The Fenix 8 boasts a crisp 454 by 454 pixel resolution, while the Enduro 3 sticks to 280 by 280 pixels, meaning the Fenix 8 delivers much sharper visuals. Speaking of displays, the Fenix 8 features an AMOLED screen, offering vibrant colors and deep contrasts. On the other hand, the Enduro 3 uses a memory and pixel display. Now, brightness. Both watches hit an impressive 1500 nits, ensuring great readability even in direct sunlight. And they both have an always-on display feature, so you can check your stats at a glance. Let's talk weight. The Fenix 8 weighs 102 grams, making it a bit hefty, while the Enduro 3 is significantly lighter at 63 grams. If you prefer a lightweight watch for ultra-long adventures, the Enduro 3 takes the lead here. But what about battery life? The Fenix 8 delivers a solid 29 days, which is impressive. However, the Enduro 3 crushes it with a whopping 80 days. That's 3 times the endurance, making it a dream for ultra-endurance athletes. Both watches come with 10 ATM water resistance, meaning they can handle serious water exposure, including swimming and even diving. In terms of dimensions, the Fenix 8 measures 51 by 51 by 14.7 millimeters, while the Enduro 3 is slightly thicker at 51 by 15.7 millimeters. A small difference, but worth noting if you prefer a slimmer watch. Now, looking at the platform, both run on Garmin's proprietary chip, ensuring smooth performance and reliability. And storage-wise, both give you 32 gigabytes, allowing plenty of room for maps, music, and apps. As for build quality, both watches come with a titanium bezel and a fiber-reinforced polymer frame, making them durable yet lightweight. Connectivity is another area where they're evenly matched. Both support Bluetooth 5.0, ANT+, Wi-Fi, GPS, and NFC, so you're getting top-tier connectivity options no matter which one you choose. Now, let's check out the sensors. Both watches come loaded with heart rate monitoring, SpO2, a barometer, compass, gyroscope, accelerometer, thermometer, and an ambient light sensor. But here's where the Fenix 8 takes the edge. It includes an additional depth sensor, making it even more versatile for diving and water-based activities. Let's talk about pricing. Garmin Fenix 8, the price depends on the size you go for. The 43mm model will cost you $999. The 47mm version comes in at $1,099, and the biggest one, 51mm, is priced at $199. Now, if you're more interested in the Garmin Enduro 3, it keeps things simple. Just one size, 51mm, and it comes in at $900. Garmin Fenix 8 Pros, crisp AMOLED display with high resolution for vibrant visuals. Includes a depth sensor, making it great for diving and water activities. Garmin Enduro 3 Pros, massive 90-day battery life, perfect for ultra-endurance adventures. Lightweight design, 63 grams, making it more comfortable for long wear. Garmin Fenix 8 Cons. Heavier design, 102 grams, may feel bulky on the wrist. Shorter battery life, 29 days compared to the Enduro 3. Garmin Enduro 3 Cons. Lower resolution display, 280 x 280 pixels, isn't as sharp. No depth sensor, limiting its use for diving enthusiasts. So after weighing all the features, the Garmin Fenix 8 takes the win. Why? It offers multiple size options, a sharper resolution, an AMOLED display, a slimmer design, and an extra depth sensor, making it the more versatile choice. That said, if battery life and a lightweight build are your top priorities, then the Garmin Enduro 3 is the way to go. It's all about what matters most to you. Want to grab one for yourself? You can purchase now using the links in the description. And let me know in the comments, which one are you choosing? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to me.